Start. It is class 10th chemistry. Today is 18th April 20 and today's topic is understanding of chemical reaction with the help of simple activities. The main objectives are to understand the basic chemical reactions in our daily life. Second, to apply chemical reaction concept in everyday's life. And I'm going to teach you with the help of some activities. So the apparatus required for these activities, these are hot water, cold water, color, coffee, sugar or salt, incense stick, Eno pack, or if you have vinegar, it's okay. So this as this activity I am doing at my home, so I took all the home materials that is available in our home. So the concept is with what is chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is, as we have done already, dear students, what is the definition of chemical reaction? I'm going to pause. You just for 2 minutes, just recall the definition of chemical reaction that we did yesterday. Okay, hope so you got that. It is the process where the reactant gets converted into new product. Again, it is a process where the reactant gets converting into the product. About reactant and product already we have done in the last lecture. Reactant are those substances which are going to be react, which is written on the left hand side of this arrow. Okay, and the product is what? Product is all those substance which is going to be formed after the reaction, which is new product. So these all things are new, which is written on the right hand side of this arrow. Okay, so let's see what are the general characteristics to identify a chemical reaction. What are the general characteristics to identify a chemical reaction? Okay, this is my question to you. You are at home, just I'm pausing myself. Recall, there are 5 characteristics. Okay, first is change in color. Wherever change in color is there, that is chemical reaction. Wherever change in taste is there, that is chemical reaction. Wherever production of gas is there, that is also chemical reaction. Wherever change in temperature, that is also chemical reaction. Okay, so with the help of small activities, I'm going to tell you all these 4 activities. As you can. So dear students, let's start with the first activity, that is to check the chemical reaction with the change in color. So for this activity, we need little bit water, as I will take little bit water in it, and we need some color. So as a color, I have suppose these small colors. So I will take any color, and suppose I am taking green color. So you can see before adding this color, the color of water was colorless. It means that is reactant. Now the moment I added green color in it, the color of water become green. You can see. And if I'll add some other color in it, suppose let's do some fun. I am mixing blue color in it. Now you can see the color of water become little bit bluish green. So in the same way, the whatever color we will add, suddenly it will change the color of water. It means that this water, colorless water, and the specific color, these are reactant, because before going to mix, these are single substances. Now the moment we added it, it become the colorful water. It changed the color of water also. So that is called product. So this is our product. So this is one of the activity that prove that okay, chemical reaction, we can observe chemical reaction with the help of change in color. So second activity is to check the chemical reaction occur with change in taste. So for that also we need to take little bit water in a glass, and as I have taken first cold water, with the cold water I am adding a pinch of salt in it, and as you can see, the salt is not dissolved properly, and if I will shake it little bit for few minutes, this will help salt to get dissolved in water. Now you can see little bit color also change, and I can see change in taste also. Before going to add the sugar, the taste of water is tasteless, but the moment we added sugar or salt, the taste become salty or sweet in it. So this is also one of the activity that can that is proof that prove that the chemical reaction is also change in taste. Okay, so third activity that we are doing, that we will do to check the chemical reaction with the help of production of gas. So for that also, students, we will take little bit water in our glass, and as I have ENO or Gas-O-Fast, or it can be vinegar also at home. So the moment we will add this vinegar or Gas-O-Fast, you will feel one fizzing sound. I think it is audible to you, and it changed the color also, and bubbles also. So bubbles is production of gas. Okay, so the same, regarding the same, I will do one more activity, that is incense stick, burning of incense stick. So incense stick, everybody's home incense stick is there, those who are worshipping God in the morning. So incense stick is also this, even this burning of matchstick is also a kind of chemical reaction. It is showing the chemical reaction. So the moment we will burn incense stick, it will produce some smoke. You can see it is producing some smoke, and you can see it is producing some smoke. So this production of smoke is also a sign that chemical reaction is occurring. Even it has some nice fragrance also. So fragrance is also, it is a kind of chemical reaction. Okay, so dear students, these are the three basic activities. Now next activity, fourth activity, is to check the chemical reaction occur with the change in temperature. So for that purpose, we should have two different temperature water. So as I have hot water and cold water, so I will add first hot water in this glass, and I can see, yes, the glass is little bit warm. Okay, the moment I will add cold water in it in equal amount, yes, now it decrease the temperature of water and it become lukewarm water. So this change in temperature, this shows change in temperature, also one of the sign of chemical reaction. So these are the basic four characteristics of chemical reaction that we did with the help of these home activities. So dear students, hope so you enjoyed it. But one thing I want to appeal from this small activity, that as a science student and as a science teacher, I am going to appeal you that please study science in a fun way. Science is the subject of practical. If science is body, the practical is its soul. Without soul, body cannot survive. So whatever you are doing, you just relate it with your daily life and try to understand it. Okay, so hope so you will also do such kind of activity at home, and those students who are going to do this kind of activity at home, most welcome. Share video, I will really appreciate. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Hope so you all understand everything, and once again, stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.